What are we facing in the Muslim Ummah? We have different sects, different people. This one belongs to this sect, another one belongs to another sect, the other one belongs to a third sect. We will never be able to bring everyone together on one platform, in one sect, and say, right, you all need to believe exactly this and it's going to happen. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. So what do? I respect you, but I disagree with you on 2 or 3 things. I'm not going to say, you are not a Muslim, you are this. Nowadays they use the term, you are a kafir, you are this. For what? Why? Are they saying the shahada? Yes, they are. Well, at least call them Muslim. That is the entry point. Call them Muslim. And you know what? You can say, you are a Muslim, I disagree with 5 things that you are saying or doing. But the other 5,000 things, we are all one. We are one. The weakness of the Ummah today is because we are being fragmented by this ideology where each one believes he's the only Muslim. I'm the only Muslim, that's it. We are fragmented, and if that fragmentation is going to happen, how are we going to ensure growth? Not just as a nation, but broader Ummah. There won't be growth. If you look at what's going on across the globe against the Ummah, you will realize it is primarily because we are fragmented. That's what it is. I believe, and I've traveled to so many countries, that where we are fragmented, there is an external enemy that is rejoicing and saying, wow, these people are in small groups. Don't allow that to happen. Don't allow that to happen. Learn to respect each other. Learn to come together.